Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amrita and I do post videos related to makeup, skincare, fashion and sometimes vlogs as well. And in today's video, I'm going to create this beautiful look. So yeah, let's start the video. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you should subscribe my channel for more videos. And in the end of the video, if you like my video, do like and comment as well. So yeah, let's start the video with my makeup base. So I will directly start my makeup with the primer, and here I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me a Face Primer. I'll take a little amount on the back of my hand, just a little amount on the back of my hand, apply it on my pores and nose areas to give the flawless face to my makeup. Yeah, I have applied my oil primer. Prep my lips as well before starting my makeup, and here I have these two options. The one is from Bbye and the other one is from Lakme Lip Glove. So I will love to use this Bbye one. This will moisturize my lips better. The foundation, here I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation matte plus poreless, and I am in the shade 102, and also I will add a little amount of moisturizer to my foundation to give the dewy base. And here I am using this the Face Shop Calendula moisturizer to give the dewy base to my makeup. So yeah, let's here I am done with my foundation, and now I will contour my face. Mostly what happened is people used to use concealer before contouring, but I am the person who contour first, then I will use concealer on my under eye areas. So yeah, let's contour my face. For contouring, I am going to use this Faces Canada contouring palette. This has bronzer, blusher and the highlighter, and this is how it looks like. And the best part of this contour palette is the bronzer is not shimmery, it's the matte bronzer, which I really love. So yeah, let's contour it. done with the contouring on my face, as you guys can see it. And I'm not a person who like to use the liquid contour or a cream contour. I would love to use the bronzer to contour my face, to give the shape to my face. And also I've contoured my nose and the other parts of my face as well, the chin and the eye area as well. So yeah, this is how the face looks like. And now I'm coming on the eye part of my area. I'm going to do my eye makeup, and in the end I will use a concealer on the under eye. My makeup sticks are a little different and compared to other people's. I do my makeup little differently. So yeah, let's come into the eye part of my makeup. Let's do the eye makeup, starting with this fluffy kind of brush for the base of my makeup. And I'm using this eyeshadow palette and taking this light warm nude shade for the base of my eye makeup. Yeah. And I am the person who just love using the nude colors, nude lipstick, nude makeup, everything nude. I just love it. Nude colors are my favorite nude shades. Here you guys can see I have done with the base of my eye makeup, and here I'm using this eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty. Yeah, Swiss Beauty, and I'm using this shade, the warm nude pink shade for the crease area of my eyelid. This is how it turns out, and here I'm using this dark brown shade for the outer corners of my eyelid. Add a little glitter on my eye makeup. Here I am using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. This is a liquid eyeshadow and the glitter one, and I am in the shade 02, the Diamond Dust. We'll use this eyeshadow as a eyeliner so you guys can see it. This is how it looks like. I'm closing my eyes so you guys can check it. Can you guys see this? How beautifully it turns out, and I just love this. I'm the person who just love experimenting new things on myself. In makeup, I just love experimenting the eyeshadows and the glitters and everything. I just love playing with these things on my face. So yeah, let's moving forward on the other steps. Using this white eye pencil for the lower lash line of my eyes. why I have used this white eye pencil on the lower lash line, so that my eyes will look a little bigger and also look a little dramatical. Now I'm using this brown nude shade, brown warm nude shade for the lower lash line. For brows, I am using this brow pencil from the brand called Miss Claire. It has foley on the other end, which is the good part of this brow pencil. And on the other hand, here is the product. I'm going to use this product on my brows. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The lashes, I'm using this Maybelline GD Harit mascara. This is the limited edition and the mascara is so good, so good. Let me show you guys. I have done with my eye makeup, as you guys can see it. Now moving on the next step, here I am using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I am in the shade 10 light. This is my favorite concealer, so let's use this. For the blusher, I would like to use this Maybelline Color Crayon lipstick. This is in the shade B519 and I don't know where the cap is. Actually, I've just lost the cap. We'll take the lipstick on my palm, on the back of my hand like this, and then apply it on my face like this. done with the blusher, but still I will use this powder blush to set this cream blush. You know, I just love using blushes. Blusher is just my favorite part of the makeup. Now I'm using this golden highlighter from the same contour palette. We'll use this highlighter on the high points of my face, like cheekbone, the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Brow bone, and at last my chin. You guys can see how beautifully it's work on my face. And also I will use this highlighter on my collarbone as well. You should use highlighter on your collarbones if you're not using yet. I'm using this nude shade from the Maybelline, and I'm in the shade the Naughty Nude. This is the nude shade, as you guys can see. Let me show you the swatch. This is how the shade looks like. This is so beautiful, warm shade. And also I will use this red lipstick to just give a little tint on my lipstick so that my lips look more pink. And here is my beautiful 3-layer neck piece. This is so trendy. And this is my beautiful pearl earrings, and both the jewelry are from Nykaa, and these pearl earrings are from the brand called Bbye. I will try to give the link in the description box. So yeah, this is how my makeup turns out. If you like my video, do like and comment and share as much as you can. In the next video, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to announce something different. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel to see my upcoming videos. Bye bye, we'll meet you in the next video.